With regards our goals, we will carry out a project in which we will implement what we have learned in the field of persistent circuit to detect the obstacle, look for an alternative not to crash. In this video we will discuss the project we have done for the topic of persistence. We have created a circuit car in which we have implemented a diffuse system that will have the function of preventing the car from crashing and continue to move through free places. In the blog, we have information about what fuselage is and also the materials used and how they should be assembled. The programming we have used Arduino 8 and Android Studio. In Arduino we have programmed the movements that our car will have as well as capturing the values with the ultrasonic sensor. In Android Studio we developed the diffuse system in which we will use our Arduino program. Here is our project.
Here we have the configuration of the pins of the Arduino. The pins that control the motors. The pins that control the servo motor. The pins of the ultrasound sensor. And the pins of the Bluetooth HC05. In the void setup, we declare the pins and inputs or outputs and indicate the port to which they are to be connected. In the void loop net we have the different methods to control the car. The method to move forward, to stop, to back, to right and left. In this part of the code, we can measure the distance in which the sensor will detect to move the car. In this method, the sensor will analyze the distance in which the objects are located. Finally, in this method, the servo will move to the right or left looking of 4 obstacles. In this method, the sensor will analyze the distance in which the objects are located. At the same time that these methods work, the car moves forward, backward, turn left or right. This part of the project was done in Android Studio. In this part, without the methods, the lines are going to analyze the distance, the grace, the direction, and the acceleration of the car. Here we have the rules where we use fuzzy logic in which we make it slower or faster, turn left or right, depending of the distance. Yet we transform it to a PK to be able to execute it on your phone and make it read the data coming from Arduino. So it works by connecting the Bluetooth, uh, making a small interface to start it.